Alright, so welcome back to another video, guys, and today we're gonna check the TG-30 from Audio Baron, one of the bigger boxes to unbox here in this channel. This is actually an amplifier, a 30-watt amplifier, and on a budget as well, 2,500 pesos or $50, and for that price, 30 watts is really great value. So we're gonna test some tones and also test this with a single coil and also a humbucker setup. So let's check this out. So I actually got the orange version, and yeah, first impressions, this is actually pretty good size. So I have 10-watt amplifiers and also have 40-watt amplifiers. So this is a bit smaller compared to my 40-watt amplifier. So something that you can carry around. So in terms of weight, I'm not bad again. So it's not that heavy, so it's still very easy to carry around. So in terms of the looks, for me, it does have some uniqueness to it because of that orange design. So it definitely stands out. So in terms of specs, you're getting an 8-inch speaker in this. You're getting some equalization as well. You're getting a clean channel and also an overdrive channel as well. And also you do get speaker monitoring and also CD line in as well if you're gonna jam with your amplifier. So that's nice. You can play some tunes with this, maybe play a backing track as well. And at night you can do some monitoring if you're in a condominium or in a place where you don't want anybody to listen to you. And you're getting 2 inputs as well. So actually this is one of the major advantage for me compared to my practice amplifier, because I do have just one. So if you're gonna jam with somebody, you can plug 2 guitars, and that's definitely versatile. So you can just bring one and have 2 inputs in this. So it does have some mesh grill in front, and it's black as well. So I do like the contrast of orange and black in this. Definitely looks cool for me. And here, looking at the back, actually you're getting a really clean look. So actually for some amplifiers that I have, you do get maybe a hole to see the speaker cabinet inside. So yeah, whether you like that or not, that will be up to you. So at the top as well, you're getting adjustable handle as well. And it feels good. It doesn't feel flimsy at all. So overall, in terms of the overall build quality and look, this does look good for a 2,500 peso amplifier. And also the build quality feels good as well, and just right in size. So yes, let's test some tones. We're gonna start with a single coil and also a clean channel. So the amp is mic'd up with an SM57, and we're using a Fender Strat. So you have a crunch mode. We're going for maybe 25% gain. So actually you can get some tones here, and actually I do like the crunch as well. So let's try out some humbuckers. So that's actually the tones that you can get. Actually, it's a wide variety of tones. I did find the Clean to be responsive. Even for the single coil, it does respond really well. And for the crunch, so even for humbucker, it has that anger to the sound. And it's still not so muddy to listen to. You know, the guitars still pushes through. It's more of a blues type of crunch, which is something that I like personally. And actually this goes pretty loud as well. So I'm just around 25% of the master volume, and it's really loud. So definitely nice on that. So actually for me overall, I'm pleased with the overall listen. So the bigger speaker for me, the 8-inch speaker, definitely helped out in some bass response. So it's not lacking in low end. So that's actually my issue before with my smaller amplifiers. The low end for me, it's a bit tinny, but this has still some bass to it. So even for a humbucker and some distorted guitars, it still pushes through the mix with some bass and with some girth. So that's nice for me as well. And also it's pretty responsive for me too. So when picking with some single coils, so you can definitely hear some nuances in the picking technique, and that's nice as well. So what are my overall thoughts in this? Let's try to close this thing. So actually for me, when I bought my first amplifier before, it's just a 10-watt amplifier, and it costs around 3,000 pesos or around $60. And now this is around 2,500 pesos or $50, but you're getting 30 watts. And this is definitely louder compared to what I used before. Just around 25% volume. It's really, really loud. And also looking at the features as well, it has a line in. Also have some headphones as well and 2 inputs. And it looks good as well. The build quality is pretty good for me. So I'm quite pleased with the overall unboxing in this. I think for 2,500 pesos, it's definitely worth the try. I think it's pretty much worth it for the price that you're paying for. So I do recommend this for maybe a room practice amplifier. So if you're gonna go to maybe a small gig, this can work as well. It goes pretty loud. And also maybe a travel amplifier as well. So if you don't want to go you know, super small, and you still want some low end because of the bigger speaker, this might work as well. So yes, I think for $25, $60, $50, this is, you know, worth the price that you're paying for. So that's my look with the Audio Baron TG-30. Really interesting amplifier. So actually it's my first time in a long time playing again in front of the camera. Hopefully we can do more in the future. I have actually some, you know, gear that I want to show here in the channel, but I do have, you know, a lot of IEM reviews, audio reviews, but hopefully we will have more of these in the future. Of course, big thanks to Clifton Guitars, Audio Baron for sending this over. Links down below if you want to get one. And yeah, see you guys in the next zpolt unboxing. Goodbye.